Maternal request for cesarean delivery, indication validity versus complication reality, a teaching hospital study. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: Cesarean section, CS, is the most common surgical procedure nowadays. It is a surgical operation that may be performed programmed for a variety of reasons, or in an emergency manner due to an emerging necessity. However, cesarean section on maternal request, CSMR, is a growing phenomenon whose literature needs to be assessed. And it is demonstrated by a steady increase in the world neck and neck by a high percentage of births by CS. It is even more luckless that giving birth by elective CS based on the pregnant woman's choice has become the first place among the justifications, notwithstanding its direct and long-term complications. Methods: this retrospective study reviewed data of all CS deliveries during the year 2022 at a hospital using electronic medical records in the hospital information system. Retrieved data include baseline demographic characteristics, mode of delivery, indications, and the type of CS, aiming to clarify the reason for CS to challenge the percentage of CAs based on the yearning of the pregnant woman without a medical reason. To identify, analyze and try to solve the ethical problem raised by the pregnant woman's request for CS. The SPSS, Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, was used for data analysis. The essential statistical analysis values of the study were calculated using the chi-square and Wallis tests. Results: the results revealed two significant facts: a sturdy noteworthy increase in the percentage of pregnant women delivering by CS compared to vaginal delivery at 54% versus 45.6%. And a sharp increase in the CS deliveries on maternal requests at 22.78%. The main reason for this shifting practice is the previous CS, followed by a decision based on personal and family convictions. Fetal distress, failed induction of labor, multiple pregnancies, and malpresentation were also common causes of CSMR. These harvested results revealed an improper justification to jump over nature. Conclusion: CSMR is an evolving entity in obstetrics practice in developing countries as delay in conception, fear of labor pain, and loss of a baby during labor appear to be strong motivations. This review provided a debate on the choice of pregnant women in uncomplicated pregnancies on the mode of birth from various stakeholders. The furthermost undeviating approach for plummeting CS could be the official embargo of CSMR. The women requesting delivery by elective CS for no medical reasons must be innumerable justifications, and life proficiencies necessitating prudently embattled attention and health care. The golden rule is that the best form of birth is safe, and the best description is natural and must always be respected. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.